was 37 years this August now. Obviously the reasons I volunteered, I wanted to put something back into my community. It runs in the family. My father was a volunteer, my grandmother was a volunteer, so it just seemed natural that I carried on doing something, and obviously I do to this day. Well, I think it makes a huge difference for the people of the local communities where you live and work. As they say, you know, the people are the police are the people, and we're all there to help as much as we can. And I think by volunteering, whether it be a special or any other volunteering role, no matter what line it's in, I think it's well worth putting your time back in to show that you respect your community then. Oh, I've got so many, but probably one of the greatest honours for myself was I was selected to run with the Olympic torch, because of, at the time, I'd done over 20 odd years of service to the Special Constabulary, and I was lucky enough to be nominated and selected. As far as people joining the Special Constabulary, I think it's a wonderful insight to policing of the day as it is now. It's quite challenging. You've got to be prepared to think outside the box sometimes and be able to communicate with people out there, because 9 times out of 10 these days, if you can talk to somebody, you can find out the exact problems without too many issues. But you know, we've all got to bear in mind it's quite a tough role, but it's also rewarding.